Today I will explain about P block elements. See the definition of P block elements. The elements in which last electron enters in P subshell. The elements in which last electron enters in P subshell, they are called P block elements. And in the periodic table, see here, S block, P block, D block, F block. But S block elements already we studied. Those are group 192 elements. And in P block 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And first year syllabus, there is 13, 14 elements, but remaining are in second year. So it is already covered. Remain here, we will study about 13, 14 group elements. There is a P block element. And now we will write elements under P block. There is group number 13 and 14. 13, 14. Group number 13. Group number 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, it is in secondary syllabus. Now 13 group elements. Atomic number 5, it is boron. Start with boron, atomic number 5. Then aluminum, 5 plus 8, because here 8, 18, 32. Then 13 plus 18, boron, aluminum, gallium. 13 plus 18, 31. Then boron, aluminum, gallium, and indium, thallium. 31 plus 18, 49. 49 plus 32, 49 plus 32, right, 81. So this type you can remember atomic numbers. First 8, second 18, third 18, last 32. Like this you have to add. But remember the symbol boron, Al, B, Al, Ga, In, Tl. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So these are elements in group number 13. Next 14 group elements. Carbon 6, 5, 6. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Now see 13, 14, because only one electron extra. 30, 31, 32, 49, 50, 81, 82. Yes, these are elements in group number 13, 14. Now general characteristics regarding electronic configuration, then ionization energy, electron negativity, electron gain enthalpies, etc. And electronic configuration NS2, NP1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. For 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Then 13, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Therefore, 3s2, 3p1, 4s2, 4p1, 5s2, 5p1, 6s2, 6p1. Means outer electrons are 3. 3 outer electrons. Outermost 3. There is various electrons are 3. This electron can be easily removed. Means B plus 1 possible. Correct? But next B plus 3 also possible. They can lose electron, but it also can gain electron. But remaining elements only have tendency to lose electrons. Then oxidation numbers, as I told, +1, +3, +1 and +3. But first oxidation energy very low value, but second, third high. Therefore, IE3 greater than IE2 greater than IE1 about ionization energy. But ionization energy and radius, it is not like S block element. Down the group increase. There is a lithium to cesium, size increases, and there are no variations. Gradual increase. Even ionization energy, gradual increase. But in case of group 13-14 elements, size different, ionization energy different. I will tell you some values. See here, for boron they gave in picometer, 85 picometer. I am giving you values. There is a atomic and ionic radii. But these are atomic radii. 143 picometer, 135 picometers, 167 picometer, 170 picometers. Yes. Now you compare the values. Size goes on increasing, 85, 170 goes on increasing, but it is not gradual. See here, 55, 143, 135. First increase, again decrease, next increase, increase. Therefore, lowest value B, highest value TL, B less than, last TL, thallium, thallium greater than, indium greater than, aluminum greater than, gallium. Means it is not B less than, Al less than, Ga less than, In less than, Tl, no. So like this, you have to remember size or radius. Boron, gallium, aluminum, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminum. See here, boron, gallium, aluminum, indium, thallium. 170 greater than, 167 greater than, 143 greater than, 135 greater than 85. So if you know the values, you can remember. Anyway, remember boron least, thallium most. But when you compare aluminum and gallium, yes, gallium value less than helium. But in general, down the group size increases, but here decreases. Now, what is the reason? So why here size decreases? Actually, orbit number 3, orbit number 4. This one, 1s to 2s to 2p1. Orbit number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then orbit number 3, d electron. Here 4 also d electron. 3d10, 3d10. But here shielding effect, a screening effect of those d orbital electrons are less. Means screening effect is less. Therefore, effective nuclear charge dominates over. Effective nuclear charge dominates over what? Screening effect. That's why its value is slightly less than this. So this type of remember. Anyway, AlGa, gallium radius less than aluminum. You should know reason. Here answer is poor shielding effect of d orbital electrons, or effective nuclear charge dominates over what? Screening effect. So this is regarding the size. Here almost similar to S block elements regarding what? Group 14 elements. And here NS2, NP2, 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 4 electrons. Means +2, +4, +2, +4, +2, +4, +2, +4 easily formed. But here +2 favored because of inert pair effect of NS2 electrons. In this case, inert pair effect you have to consider, and inert pair effect means the valence shell electron contain NS2 electrons, and these are not involved in the bonding and hence that is called inert pair effect. Because of that effect, yes, it cannot form easily +4, but +2 state is more stable. +2, +2. But this one +4 more, because here d orbital absent. In second orbital, no d electrons. Right? And d pi we cannot write, but silicon can form more oxidation numbers, like +6 also possible. But in carbon only +4, because in silicon 1s2 or neon 3s2 3p2 3d0. Yes, it can undergo sp-d orbital hybridization. Means d orbital is there in the silicon, germanium, etc. They can exhibit more oxidation numbers. But these actually can have, they can receive a 4-4 electron. Hence, +4 or combining capacity of carbon silicon is 4. They can form covalent bonds. Then this is about size of group 13 elements. Then ionized energy. Main important is in group number 13. Ionized energy here also again same, almost what ionized energy goes on decreasing down the group in case of group number 14. Then ionized energy values. First 800, second 577, third 578, 558, 590. Now in general, ionized energy decreases down the group. 800, 590, it decreases down the group. 800, 577, 578, 558, 590. See here, value goes on decreases. 577, 578. First decrease, then increase. It should be less than this, but again decrease. Next increase. Yes, again it is due to what? Small change in size of the atoms. Therefore, you have to remember highest value 800 boron. Highest value boron means ionized energy of boron highest, and lowest value 577, 78, 558. Lowest indium. Indium lowest. Then boron first 800, then 590. Helium greater than 578, 577. Gallium, aluminum, indium. 577, 577 greater than 558 over. So this type boron and indium. Boron, indium. So this is under what? Ionized energy of group number 13 elements. Next, reducing power. See, reducing agents. These have negative SRP. If the elements have a negative SRP, then they are called good reducing agent. Even aluminum, you studied in metallurgy, there is a Ellingham diagram. Yes, aluminum acts as a reducing agent. Okay, but reducing power goes on decreasing down the group. Decreasing down the group. The same type, reducing agent carbon in group number 14 or carbon monoxide, usually in metallurgy of what iron. Anyway, they act as a reducing agent, but reducing power goes on decreasing down the group because of SRP values. Lower the SRP, higher the reducing power. Reducing nature, then ionized energy over. Electronegativity character. Carbon silicon purely non-metallic. Boron purely non-metallic. Aluminum metallic. And so most metallic in this group is aluminum. Okay, most metallic. Then boron covalent means purely non-metallic. Aluminum gallium metalloids, but mainly gallium metalloid, and indium thallium, there is called a metal. Carbon silicon non-metal, germanium tin metalloid, and other germanium metalloid, tin and lead metals. Next, reducing nature words. Complex formation oxide. See why these undergoes formation of a complex. Why not a group 1, group 2 element? In group 1, group 2, yes. See the size of group 1, group 2 element. Size of group 1, group 2 elements are very large. In every period, size of the group 1, 2 elements are high. But these comes under group number 13 after 10 elements. Example, atom number 3. 3 plus 10, 13. Atom number 8. 8 plus 10, 18. Like this. Group number, 11. If atom number 11, 11 plus 10, 21. But group number 1 elements, lithium, sodium, 11, magnesium 12, then 12 plus 10, 32, 11 plus 10, 21. But these comes under same energy level, 3s1, 3s2, 3p. So you have to see 12 plus 10, 32. So group number 192 elements size when you compare greater than group number 13, 14. Group number 13, 14. So because of size, because of a more number of protons or size contraction occur in case of group 13, 14 or p block elements. If size is small, they can undergo what? Complex formation. Then oxides and hydroxides. See here. B2O3, Al2O3, Ga2O3, In2O3, all are oxides. Hydroxide, BOS thrice, AlOS thrice. It may be hydroxide or oxide. Most basic Pl2O3, PlOS thrice. Then acidic, first one acidic, second one amphoteric. Less basic, more basic. And so anyway, remember Al2O3, Ca2O3, amphoteric. B2O3, acidic, because you can form acidic compound O-H, B, O-H. This H is replaceable. It is called boric acid, H3BO3, boric acid. Therefore, it is called acidic. And AlOS thrice, aluminum hydroxide, they are dissociated to give OH ion. Therefore, it is called basic. But this one can react with acid as well as base. Hence, they are called amphoteric in nature. Okay. Then oxidation numbers are there, and with air N2O2. Boron nitride, boron oxide. Aluminum nitride, aluminum oxide. But these can form only oxide, not nitrides. But when these two, they can form covalent bond. So because of such small size, they can form covalent bond. BN, AlN, boron nitride, aluminum nitride, they are formed. Okay. Then with air, alkali hydrogens. See here. When aluminum react with alkali, NaOH, NaAlO2, sodium aluminate is formed. Then boron also react with alkalis, but actually main is what? Aluminum. In case of group number 13 elements. Aluminum can react with acid and base and they liberate hydrogen gas, And if it is acid, AlCl3 or Al2SO4 thrice obtained and hydrogen gas obtained. If it is base like NaOH, it can form NaAlO2 or NaAlOH 4 times, sodium meta-aluminate. Okay, that is in case of alkalis. And with halogen, boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, boron tribromide, boron triiodide. Mainly it can form halides. Boron halide is important. Next, aluminum. But these are covalent in nature, and AlCl3 in anhydrous form covalent and in solution form ionic. AlCl3 in water act as ionic. AlCl3 in gaseous form it act as covalent. But BCl3, BF3, all these are covalent in nature. And the most covalent, this one. And Lewis acid, all are acting as a Lewis acid. Okay, strongest Lewis acid Bi3, weakest Lewis acid BF3. Like this also you can study regarding what boron compounds, but mainly they are called, hence they are called anomalous behavior. They can form mainly covalent compounds and others cannot. Okay. Next is anomalous behavior over boron. Boron hydrides sodium borohydride. Diborane. Diborane. B2H6. Diborane B2H6. Now, boron hydride. Actually, it is a BH3. Boron hydride BH3. Boron trifluoride and lithium aluminum hydride, when they are heated, they can form diborane. But actually, boron hydride BH3 is formed. It is then unstable and they undergo dimerization to form B2H6. And in B2H6, boron atom number 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Px 2p0, 2pz0. Means one is empty orbital, but anyway boron undergo sp3 hybridization. sp3 in diborane, boron sp3 hybridized, and 3 contain unpaired electron and 1 is empty orbital. And using this concept, now I can explain orbital diagram of B2H6. It is important. I can see B2H6. Boron, boron. Orbital which contain electron, orbital which do not contain electron. Orbital containing electron means sp3, sp3, sp3 contain electron, which is not having one electron in case of py, no electron in the sp3 orbital. Same type. Same hadron, but here 3 orbitals contain one unpaired and one empty orbital. And hydrogen atom, spherical symmetrical, spherical symmetrical. It is 3-centered 2-electron system. 3-centered, electron 1, electron 1. But here no electron. 3-centered 2-electron system. Same, this is same. Then 2-centered. 2-electron system. Therefore, we get bridge hydrogens 2, normal hydrogens 4. Then, if you write a structure like this, and bond angle 97 degree, bond angle 120 degree, and these bond lengths also different. So this is of this is the structure of diborane, but it is a what reducing agent. Boron hydrides. And boron compounds are used to prepare what glass. There is especially borosilicate glass, a standard glass called borosilicate glass, and H3BO3 boric acid, which is mild antiseptic, that is also used in medicine as a medicine. Okay, and sodium borohydride, Na2B4O710H2O. It is called borax. Borax. On heating, it can form sodium meta borate Na2B4O7 only. Further on heating, it can form boron anhydride, that is called B2O3. And H3BO3 also over. So this is regarding group number 13. But group 14 and some compounds are there, elements, its characteristics, and that will cover after 2-3 minutes.